Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about an article that it can be confusing, but hopefully I can provide some clarity or shed some light on the article because it is actually helpful, especially if you find yourself in the precarious situation that's described in this article. The title of the article is formally Gap Health Insurance, What You Need to Know, right? So you hear Gap Health Insurance, and the first thing that comes to mind is Gap in terms of high deductible health insurance, right? So like we all know that Obamacare made it required to have health insurance. Now that's not the case, but nonetheless, health insurance is expensive, especially in the U.S. And all of us need kind of that fail safe, just in case something happens where we need to go to the hospital. And we all know that bill to go to the hospital and get operated on can be very high. And for most people, they don't have 10, 20, 30, hundreds of thousands of dollars just lying around to kind of fix a health issue. So insurance is definitely a necessity in our society. In terms of the high deductible health insurance, it was convenient because it's very, as you can imagine, the economics, it's very inexpensive. You pay a very small premium per month in exchange for having to come out of pocket with a very high deductible, right? If you ever need to go to the hospital. Typically, gap insurance refers to help with that deductible, right? So like you get the savings from the high deductible policy, but then you take out a second, like a supplement policy to help you with the deductible, right? But in this article, we're actually talking about more if you substitute gap with short-term health, basically, right? So it's not the supplemental gap health insurance that you often see. It's kind of the literal gap in time in which you aren't insured at all, right? So like you are, let's say you got laid off, right? Or you didn't get laid off, but your hours were reduced to the point where you no longer qualify for the company's health insurance, right? So at that point in time, most people will look at COBRA. COBRA is typically extraordinarily expensive because you get the same coverages that you had with your company, right? And your company was fitting the bill, but they were also getting very good rates because they had a large group in which they're insuring. So if you want to keep those coverages for just you and your family, the rates are going to be extreme. So if COBRA is not an option, you're still not covered. You still have a space of time where you're not covered with health insurance. You then want to look at GAP, i.e. short-term health, as an option. Okay? As an option. Not forever, right? Not indefinite, but to hold you until you have a more solidified or stable insurance policy, right? And not to say that it's horrible. Gap insurance, short-term health insurance can be very can be very adequate with its coverages, and you should obviously go through them if you're looking for short-term health or gap health. But typically, it's not going to be as extensive as your employer-sponsored health insurance, your group health insurance, right? But it's not, once again, it's not going to be as expensive as COBRA. So it is meant to be kind of used as a stopgap, right? As short term, right? So just another option out there. Just wanted to kind of clarify the title and what I mean. Obviously, as you read the article, you'll get what it's hinting towards and what it's speaking about. So once again, just kind of interchange gap health insurance, short-term health insurance. That's what we're talking about here. Okay. Hopefully this was helpful, guys. Thanks for stopping by. We'll chat next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.